Okay, in previous lesson, we have learned on how to convert a normal wiring diagram into German DIN wiring diagram. So we will try to connect using the parallel circuit. So this is the training kit that we will use. Here is the power supply. So as you can see, this is line number 30, this is 15, and this is 31. Okay, so from the circuit, first line 30 will go into a switch. So this is the switch that we can use. So let's connect. There are many ways to connect to the switch. First is a direct connection, so we can use this line 30 into the input of the switch. Another way to connect is to use this line 30 and we power up this upper board line 30. So the one here is line number 30. And if we trace this switch, it goes to this fuse, which is beside here. So we can connect it to So now this line is connected. So if this diagram has fuse just before the switch, this is the right connection to use. Or another way we can use, if it's the same as this diagram, from line 30 to the input of the switch. Next, the output of the switch will go to the second switch. The output of the switch will go to the input of the second switch. Next, the output of the second switch will go to the lamp. So, output of the second switch goes to lamp. So that use this lamp here. So this is the input. This is R. This is 56B. And the output of the switch, which is below, need to be grounded. So number 21 will be connected to the upper board. Now if we switch on the power supply and then we push the switch, both of the switch, the lamp will open. The lamp will turn on. If we push only one switch, the lamp will not turn on. So this is a series circuit. So then how are we going to connect a parallel circuit? So the power of the power from the supply will be connected to the first switch and the second switch. And the output of the switch 1 will go to the lamp. And the output of the switch 2 will also go to the lamp. So in this configuration, if we push only one either one switch, it will turn on. You can also use this connection like this. Instead of we have a long wire from the switch to the lamp, we can just hook it up so the output of the first switch will connect to the output of the second switch. So the wire should be shorted. So no more no wire wasted in here. So it will work safely.